Lake Baikal. It makes you think of beautiful untouched nature, the deepest lake in the world. A real wonder. But this special lake in Siberia hides secrets. There are sad and mysterious stories that aren't obvious. A hidden dark side you don't see in normal travel pictures. Today we're looking deeper into the history of Lake Baikal, exploring the scary parts that draw people to dark tourism. We're going beyond the pretty pictures to see the real, dangerous past and present of this place. Baikal's beauty can fool you. Its waters are super deep and freezing cold, and they hide many shipwrecks, boats that sank because of sudden strong storms and powerful currents. We hear stories about boat crews who were surprised by how quickly and fiercely the lake could change, their boats disappearing in a flash. These aren't just small old fishing boats, but also big passenger boats and military ships. The super cold water keeps them almost perfectly preserved, each one a silent reminder of the terrible final moments, like an underwater graveyard. And the danger is still real. Even today, the lake can be unpredictable, and people die because of it. In the winter, the ice can be very thin and break suddenly, causing cars and people to fall in. What looks like a safe, frozen surface can quickly become a deadly trap. It shows how powerful and dangerous nature can be. But Baikal's sad history goes beyond the water. In the time of the Soviet Union, the lake's remote shores were used for many harsh prison labor camps called gulags. The beauty of the area was ruined by cruelty, which is sadly ironic. This difficult history is what brings people interested in dark tourism here. Tens of thousands of people were forced to come here and live in terrible conditions. They had to do hard labor, didn't get enough food, and had to deal with the harsh Siberian weather. Many of them died. Their bones are still in this area, an untold story of forced work. Their spirits might still be heard in the quiet, empty places. These camps, once filled with people suffering, are now just old, empty places. They are silent witnesses to awful crimes. Today, they remind us of the dark side of human history, a place where nature and people were both harmful to each other. The dark history of the lake doesn't just stay in the past. Now the environment itself is in danger. Pollution from factories and people is harming this delicate environment. We don't know the long-term results for this unique place. This very old lake, older than many continents, is like a living thing. Its health reflects our own. If we are careless and ignore the warnings, we'll destroy this once pure and beautiful environment. And the darkness will continue to spread. Lake Baikal is more than just a pretty place to visit. It's a place of great power, a place that's both beautiful and a bit scary. It reminds us of the wonderful and the dark sides of our world. Exploring it through dark tourism helps us to learn and think. Do you have the courage to explore the dark side of this special place in Siberia? Let us know what you think in the comments below. And please subscribe if you want to see more explorations into mysterious and unusual places.